Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one.
Ilang percent yung gate?
Hold. Okay, dapat. Pahila ako, gago, patay ako, pre. Tang-inang yan.
Hold lang, hold.
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 Palot nga si 1K, palot si 1K. May ano ba?
Tang-inang, pre, hindi
Hold
na
lang, hold lang.
gago.
May airtron ba? May airtron ba si 1K?
Tignan yung percentage ng gate. Balik kayo, tignan yung percentage ng gate.
Balik.
53.
Wala pa ako.
Sino nakalot kay 1K? Sino nakalot kay 1K?
Wala.
Yo. Southeast, ready, southeast.
Inang panlala na.
Ang dami namamatay kay. Top tayo na naman.
20.
Alis ka dyan. Tang-ina nyo, pre. Pinapatay nyo na naman caller.
Hindi gago, ang lalang bilis.
Wala, putang
Out.
Nag-out na sila, Silva. Putang ina, pre. Wala, naka-ano siya. Wala siya, naka-brawler siya. Out na. Tang ina. Guard runes, can you get...
Gear up na lang, gear up. Kaya pa ni 16 minutes. Kaya pa ni. Hold northwest, guys. Hold northwest.
I-brawl nyo na lang, Musmark. I-brawl nyo na lang sa loob. Papunta na ako. Silva, i-hold nyo na lang, Silva.
Come back. Healers, spread, okay? I want you to spread.
Boss Mark, i-call.
Okay. Tinan nito. Kaning botong balahibo. Caller kuan.
Ayaw, safe play lang.
Ay, come to the Lord Room, guys. Don't get caught.
Oy, tabangin si Silva. Nag-bomb si Silva.
Ay. Dismount. Silva, guys. Defend Silva.
Patay. Dep.
Oh my god.
Nag-potion, puta. Patay pa rin.
Potion, di ako namatay.
Engage ba para makakuha si Silva?
Okay. Wait. Northeast, guys. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defend.
Pre, babalik na ako dyan.
Ang dami ng kulang eh, pero...
Oh, yung namatay kanina, regear na.
Balik.
Hills, on front.
Oy, game yun.
Try. Nice one.
Boss Mark, call lang og defensive Boss Mark sa ako.
Sige.
Ilang percent yung gate?
80.
Sige. Engage lang with defensive.
Defend. My god.
Oy, ay.
Guys, be attentive. Guys.
May rise, ready.
Boss Mark, pa-hold.
Ready defend, guys. Ready defend. 50 okay. Defend. Nice one, Silva.
Engage, oy, gago, one bar tanan. Sige siya agad si Silva. Boss Mark, engage tanan.
Try ko mag-take over. Wait lang,
Defend.
Malapit na ako.
Pabalik na kami. Ilan din nila, pre? Ilan din nyo?
12 sila, tas 20 tayo.
Sige, cut
sila to, hindi na.
Sige, tara. Dito na ako.
Pupunta ako.
Hold the gate, straight. Hold the gate. Do not clamp up on the choke. Just hold the...
Ilan nyo pwede yung sa inside. Lagi guys si Silva.
Dep.
Guys, why are you staying there?
Just hold. Don't push.
Hey guys, get ready.
Just hold.
Listen me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, come back. Inaw mo yung GG Silva.
Wala. Papunta na kami dyan. Papunta na kami. Guys, hold nyo lang. Anong gate na ba kayo? First gate pa lang?
Come back. Pila ka percent, guys. Yun ang magitan.
Pakitingnan.
Come back.
32.
Safe play kayo. Papunta na ako dyan. Legit.
Nice. Heals up on the gate.
Servin, sasan ka na.
Heals up. Yo, do not stock up on the gate. Do not stock there. Stock here. Look northwest.
Kasabay ko si Grigora.
Broken yung gate.
Go.
Get out! Nag-fight pa sila sa...
Dura pa raw.
Ang uban ni Southwest na sila.
Utang. Naman.
Uy, hold nyo lang daw sila Silva, Boss Mark.
Igawas gani
Nandito
sila.
na ako, pa-zone na ako.
Come guys, come.
Walang marunong mag-take over dyan.
Come to the Lord room. Come to the Lord room.
Kritik ko.
Oh, i-hold nyo lang. Nasa Lord Room.
Silva, may naiwan dito.
Pa-zone na ako dyan.
Walang call na Southwest sila.
Uy, Silva, ay ano, Boss Mark, focus ka sa defensive, Boss Mark. Ayun na, sige, sorry ah. Padulong na ko.
Balik sa castle, balik sa castle.
Tutulungan ko sila Silva.
Diyan dalawang ditang sa west.
The bomb! I'm zoning now. Ba't daw kayo lumalabas? Main jerk, just hold. I'm here already, Guys, regroup on the Lord Room now. I-hold nyo lang. Ba't may namamatay?
Mag-mount ako. 5 seconds.
Pahil kay Akno, pre, oh.
Mating up. Wait nyo.
Hey guys. Careful guys ha. Careful.
Blow white. Wait lang.
Uy, mounting up sila. Gago, mamatay ulit ka, pre. Na-DC ako, putang ina.
Wait, tara. Awa na mag-all Awa.
Wait, papunta na ako dyan.
Lumabas sila.
Guys, Silva, wait nyo ako, Silva.
Stay on the chest. Just stay on the chest.
Ready ka? Defend.
Ayaw mong sukul. Nahan ako dire.
Ditang solve them.
Go northeast. Okay, dismount to me. Come to me northwest. Follow me. Push check kasi.
Trigger agad yung mga namatay.
Okay, look southwest. Look southeast. Wait. Isang engage lang sila, di ba? Look southeast. Look southeast.
May ba.
Wait.
Engage gate.
They're looking. Defend.
Bam!
Ang bagal ng reaction time nyo. Yo, southeast now in 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Ay, go now. Defend.
Ordinance naman na to. Balista.
Hold.
Reset muna ako. Magre-reset ako.
Grabe ang lag ko, pre.
Bam!
Lang ina, boss. Talo na to.
Nabam sila. Kota.
Hold. Nakatingin sa inyo, Silva. Tangina, pre. Balik na lang kayo, pre. Hold. Yo, def ready southeast. Wait. Hold them.
Mounting up ako. 2 seconds. 1.
Kaya nyo bumalik, guys. Ba't level 18 DA lang tayo, pre? Mas nauna pa sila mag-regear. Defend natin. Huy!
Patay sa Rowan.
Nagagawa nyo! Guard drones!
One na mamatay.
Lose out us here.
Pasilence ng balista.
Ching southwest.
Balista talaga. Kailan?
Babalik ba kayo, guys, or hindi? Guys, don't get kidnapped, guys. If you don't have defensive, don't go out. Tangina kasi kung di nyo ko pinapatay, pre. Sino ba mga guard drones? Who's my defensive? Ready, defend. Defend on Boss Mark.
Ay, hindi ako ma-position.
Hinihila kayo palabas ha. Careful.
Guys, do not go there. Boss Mark, why are you there? Guys. Yo, southwest on me in 3. Wait.
Pushing sila isa. Wait. Holding.
Hold. Just hold. Yo, get the defense west. Defend west. Wala akong demon armor, pre. Yo, defend ready. Spread. Okay, southeast on me. Southwest on me. Ready? Look south. South in 3, 2, 1. South now. Delete south or we're gonna lose. Holy shit, no damage. Come north. Ready, defend. Spread now. Spread. Ditang hold them. Full spread, guys. We're just buying time for my regears. Come fast. We're just buying time now. Fast, regear fast, guys. Silva, saan na kayo? Regear fast, regear fast.
Punta na kami gate.
Yo, southeast defend, southeast defend, southeast defend, southeast defend. Heal, 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 heal.